If you ever needed to find a Telegram user ID, whether it's your own ID or someone else's, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it. Telegram user IDs can be useful for bots, automation, group management, troubleshooting, and connecting tools that need a unique account identifier. The best part is that you can find this information right inside Telegram without any complicated setup. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and make sure you're signed into the account you want to check. Once Telegram is open, look at the top of the app and click or tap the search bar. In the search field, type Userinfobot. As you start typing, Telegram should show the bot in the results. Open the chat that says @Userinfobot. This is the bot that can show your Telegram account details, including your user ID. When the chat opens, click Start to begin the conversation. The bot will respond with a message containing your Telegram information. In that message, look for the user ID number. That number is your Telegram user ID, and you can copy it or save it for later use. If you only needed your own ID, then you're basically done. But if you want to find another user's ID, the process is slightly different. For that, go back to the Telegram search bar and search for @ID_bot. Open the bot chat and click Start. This bot will give you a few options, so choose the option to select a user. After that, Telegram will let you pick a contact from your list. Now select the user whose ID you want to see. Once you choose the person, the bot will display their Telegram user ID in the chat. This is especially useful if you need to identify a contact for automation, admin tools, or bot-related tasks. Just remember that user IDs are private identifiers, so always use them responsibly and only for legitimate purposes. And that's it. Now you know how to find a Telegram user ID in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.